Canada's federal and provincial immigration systems issued more than 28,000 permanent residence-related invitations in April 2026, making it one of the busiest months of the year so far for immigration candidates. The corrected working total for April was 28,125 invitations. This included Federal Express Entry invitations, provincial nominee invitations, Manitoba letters of advice to apply, Quebec permanent selection invitations, and Atlantic immigration selections. However, these invitations do not all mean that people were newly invited from outside Canada. Many candidates were already living, studying, or working in Canada on temporary status. This includes Canadian Experience Class candidates, international graduates, foreign workers with Canadian job offers, healthcare workers, trades workers, provincial nominees, and temporary residents already employed in different provinces. Express Entry was the largest contributor in April, with 15,797 invitations issued across 7 draws. IRCC targeted French language candidates, Canadian Experience Class candidates, provincial nominee program candidates, and trades workers. French language proficiency draws alone accounted for 8,000 invitations, with CRS cutoffs dropping as low as 400. Canadian Experience Class draws issued 4,000 invitations, while trades occupations received 3,000 invitations. Ontario was the biggest provincial issuer in April. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program issued 7,628 invitations across 5 streams. These included Employer Job Offer International Student, Foreign Worker, In-Demand Skills, Master's Graduate, and PhD Graduate streams. Ontario targeted healthcare, early childhood education, mining, regional candidates, francophones, physicians, graduates, and Greater Toronto Area job offer candidates. Quebec issued 2,555 permanent selection invitations through ARIMA under its Skilled Worker Selection Program. All 4 Quebec streams required French language proficiency. The largest Quebec stream targeted regulated professions, including healthcare, engineering, education, social work, and construction trades. Alberta issued 866 fixed reported invitations, plus 1 additional draw reported as fewer than 10 invitations. Alberta targeted healthcare, technology, trades, tourism and hospitality, rural communities, law enforcement, and candidates already working in the province through the Alberta Opportunity Stream. British Columbia issued 484 skills immigration invitations in 1 high economic impact draw. The province focused on high-wage workers and high-scoring candidates with job offers in key occupations. Manitoba issued 340 letters of advice to apply through 2 expression of interest draws. These invitations targeted skilled workers in Manitoba, health occupations, employer services, francophone communities, regional communities, and temporary public policy candidates. Atlantic Canada added 455 invitations from Newfoundland and Labrador, New Brunswick, and Prince Edward Island. The key takeaway is that Canada's immigration selection system is now highly targeted. Candidates are being invited based on language ability, Canadian work experience, job offers, occupations, regional connections, education, and provincial labor market needs. April 2026 showed that Canada is still actively using both federal and provincial immigration systems to move selected candidates toward permanent residence, especially those already contributing to the Canadian labor market.